Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be reviewing this DigiPower all-in-one battery charger. I'm going to show you how it works. Now this is a very simple process. Let's walk through it right now. I've been using this DigiPower battery charger for a while now and have had fantastic results. Basically, these are two different style camera batteries that if I were to go out and get the exact chargers that Canon sells, or this specific one is from Panasonic, those chargers for these specific batteries cost between $10 and $15 each. Now, because I have the DigiPower, I can not only charge these batteries, but I can also charge all sorts of other batteries just by sliding these specific buttons around. Now remember, this is designed to use rechargeable like AA, AAA style batteries. Almost anything you can think of that would fit. Now the DigiPower comes with this little plastic enclosure that kind of protects the terminals for where the battery rests to charge. On the back you can see that it has this little flip up AC adapter that plugs directly into the wall. And that's going to enable you to use this on any outlet. It also has another AC adapter that can connect right here and plug into a longer kind of extension on another power strip or something like that. It also has a USB charging port here. So as you can see, there's just all sorts of great ways to charge your devices and batteries. These specific things on the side here, these are the sliders that slide these terminals up and down and allow you to adjust for the different styles of batteries. The other adjustment that you have is on the bottom here, where you can actually take this entire slider and slide it up and down. So you also have a little LED light system that gives you a good indication of how charged up the battery currently is. So now that you kind of understand how that works, let's go ahead and try to work this with this Canon battery. This is for a little point and shoot camera. And what you really need to find first are the battery terminals where it charges from. So in this case, it's going to be on this side of the battery. And what we're looking for is the positive and negative terminal inputs here. So that's going to be the far ones, one on the far left and one on the far right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our two little terminals right here, our charging terminals, and we're going to line those up with the far ones on those two ends so that they're connected to both the positive and the negative sides. So I'm going to place the battery here, and actually the first thing we need to do is take the bottom and actually just move it up so that it's nice and snug in the casing here. Now I can move it forward a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust our little charging terminals so that they rest on the positive and then this one on the negative side. Now once they are touching, you really need to push this completely forward so that these two terminals are kind of pushed in and are flush as far as they can up against those two ports. At this point, I'm going to take the bottom and I'm going to again just push it upwards so everything's nice and snug. All right, once we have that in place, this is ready to be plugged into the wall and get that battery nice and charged up. Okay, here is our wall outlet. And basically what I'm going to do is just stick this straight in there and we can actually see it go to work right away. And now again, if this battery is fully charged, so as you can see the green lights, they're going all the way to the end here. If this battery had been dead, you would get just a single light lighting up and then all three of these kind of moving in that direction, showing you that it still needs to charge up completely. So the one last thing I want to show you is with this specific battery, things are a little bit different. As you can see when I turn it over, the positive and negative terminals are still there, but there's multiple slots where these terminals on the charger can plug into. So again, it works the exact same way. Just place it in here, but you really need to make sure that these two are slotted directly into those specific positive and negative terminal areas on the battery, just like that. So yeah, that basically is how things work. Different cameras, batteries are going to have different configurations, but again, this thing is so adjustable that it just really allows you to do everything necessary. Hope that has helped, friends. I really do love this. Really suggest it. There'll be a link in the description box below where you can purchase it on Amazon. If this has helped, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? It does help us make more great videos. And hit that subscribe button because we get a lot more videos coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching.